What is YouTube all about? Hey there everyone! We'd like to congratulate you on your decision to take up this course and to thank you for choosing us as your guide. This is an immense opportunity for you to learn the ultimate strategies that'll help you scale your online marketing efforts and grow your business on YouTube, the most popular video streaming platform on the internet. We've created this course to help you discover all the ways in which you can use YouTube to make more money. We've spent a lot of time on the platform, and we've uncovered the best proven methods to monetize it beyond ad revenue. To kickstart your journey, we'd like to start with the basics. What is YouTube? YouTube is, on the surface, an entertainment-centric platform. It is designed to make it easy for common people to find the type of video content that they enjoy, and to stream it seamlessly from any device wherever they go. This entertainment model is a modernized spin of the traditional TV format, and it is always online. This means that YouTube provides people from all around the world with 24/7 access to plenty of video content for free. Yet, this unlimited access to free video content 24/7 is fueled by brands, businesses, creators, and personalities that are benefiting from uploading their video content to YouTube. That's right, folks. The YouTube platform is open for creators that are willing to feed the platform with quality content in exchange to access an always online global audience for their products and services. How does it work? YouTube works because the platform provides an open window for consumers to find quality content and for brands and businesses to find the right audience whom to promote their offers. The methods to monetize these audiences are varied and extraordinarily effective, but the business model works like this. YouTube lets people and brands to join and use the platform for free. Brands, business, creators, and personalities produce quality content and upload it to the platform. People look for content they like, find the videos produced by brands in their niche, and start getting familiar with those brands. The higher the quality of the content, the more people start considering those brands. Brands output videos on a consistent basis and start growing their audience. Once those brands grow an engaged audience and build trust, they start to use monetization strategies that encourage people to spend money on products sold or promoted by those brands. Brands start making money and can scale their efforts. Why should you consider YouTube for business? Many people don't think of YouTube as a platform for business, but you can see results and profits pretty quickly if you do it right. And you don't have to be famous or to have a large budget for that. The main advantage of YouTube for business is that it lets you leverage all your efforts from a single platform. For starters, it lets you show and build your brand's personality through videos. Long gone are the days of building awareness one image at a time. On YouTube, you can demonstrate your expertise in your niche. This means that you can produce videos to educate potential customers about the problems they face, using your products or services as assistants. This, in turn, allows you to also showcase your products and services, their benefits, their features, and everything that makes them different from what's offered by the competition, all without being salesy. On YouTube, you also have a platform to broadcast special occasions, such as in-store events, conferences, and much more. You can also use it to run webinar-style presentations and to interact with your audience in real time. YouTube also has a self-serving advertising solution that allows you to promote your content and offers. It has some of the best rates around and gives you hyper-targeting features that will help you reach and convert the perfect customer. Additionally, YouTube helps you reduce overhead costs and the complexity of running an online business by providing you with a platform where you can host your video content for free. What's the future for YouTube business? Businesses on YouTube can look to a bright future because the number of active users on the platform is increasing year by year. Technologies such as 360 video, augmented reality, and virtual reality are going to enhance the user experience, and businesses can leverage that to better showcase their products and services. Also, content marketing and brand sponsorship are becoming the most effective strategies to drive sales, and YouTube is the perfect environment to develop and run them. Are you ready to learn what it takes to get the most out of YouTube business in 2020? Yes? We're glad you are, because we're going to get started in the following lesson: researching and picking a profitable niche. Hey there everyone, are you ready to get started? Because this lesson is all about the first steps that you have to take before you go onto YouTube. That's right, friends. There's homework to do before you go upload your first business video. But don't worry, it'll only take a bit of your time and will help you stay in line once you start doing YouTube business. This first step is to research and find a profitable niche to build your YouTube business. A niche is simply the category of product or service that you want to promote and sell. So let's suppose that you are familiar with healthy living and medical stuff, and you want to dedicate your business to that. That's a good starting point. Now you have to select your niche by narrowing down the exact type of healthy living stuff that you want to promote. That will be your niche. Let's also suppose that you are not sure what to promote yet, and that you don't know where to start. In this case, you have to start by learning where to find top-selling niches, how to identify one, and then pick one. This guide will help you regardless of your situation, so let's do it from the beginning. Step number 1. Researching and picking a niche on top online marketplaces. You don't have to try your luck by promoting random offers to see if a niche is profitable or not. You can find this information easily, simply by looking at top-selling categories in popular online marketplaces. While there are a ton of marketplaces you can do your research around, including Amazon, we have found the ones that make it easier to research, find, and pick a niche. These are ClickBank and JVZoo. So let's see how easy it is to do it. On ClickBank, start by visiting clickbank.com. You'll have an idea of what type of products and niches perform well by checking the featured offers on the homepage. But the best way to find the best niches is to go to the marketplace by clicking on the Affiliate Marketplace tab, then clicking on the search icon on the following page. Next, click on the drop-down menu below Sorts Results By and select Gravity to position best-selling offers on top. This is how you can identify the most profitable niches on this site, but be aware that you'll get similar results in other marketplaces. To identify the niche of an offer by name, look at the cat or category section in the offers card. Notice how some of the top-selling niches are health and fitness, self-help, e-business, online marketing, and cooking. There you have it, some of the niches you can pick from. Searching on JVZoo Market. JVZoo is an affiliate platform that is similar to ClickBank. To find what niches are hot and trending there, simply visit jvzoomarket.com to go to the website's marketplace. Now scroll down to the Today's Top Sellers section. There you'll see the type of products that are currently making the most money. And to find top-selling niches, check under Top Categories. Step number 2. Researching related search terms. Now that you have picked your niche, it is time that you find the search terms related to that niche. Search terms are long-tail keywords that potential customers use to find content in your niche, and also when they are researching products before making a purchase decision. It is important that you collect these search terms before you start your YouTube business, because you can use them to optimize your videos for maximum reach. On Google. Let's start this research on Google. This is the search engine we'll use because a large majority of potential customers will use it. What you'll do is type your niche keyword into the search bar and wait for the autocomplete suggestions. These are the most popular search terms that your audience is using on Google. And the good news is that by using these terms you can rank your videos on top of the search results pages. We'll be teaching you how to do that in an upcoming lesson. So let's continue with what we have at hand. On YouTube. Alright, let's take the search to YouTube. Although you'll be targeting the same audiences on both platforms, it could happen that you'll find different segments of the same audience using different search terms on YouTube. So simply go to YouTube and type your niche keyword in the search bar. Then wait for the autocomplete suggestions. And there you have the results. As you can see, Although the results are very similar, they can include more specific keywords that give you ideas about what type of videos you can create to funnel those searches. Wrapping up. You can finalize by saving the search terms you found by adding them to an Excel spreadsheet. This will help you to have them handy every time that you create content for your channel.